Fiverr has added a new section. Okay, I know that Fiverr can be too competitive, there's a lot of people on it, but this is new, okay? AI services. Now, before everything, this is a good thing because AI services can give you an advantage. And if you just go and, I don't know, maybe do some job and you use AI, well, that's going to give you an unfair advantage over other people. So Fiverr did this. Add talent to AI. Get the most out of the AI with experts who know it best, blah, blah. But in all honesty, this is not like you're going to make money out of blue sky, out of nothing, without any work, because these AI tools, they still need humans because they need prompts, okay? So basically, they just need instructions, okay? That's why AI will never take over the world, because they need instructions. They need these prompts. And prompts, that's a skill to do, okay? That's a skill to learn. The world is changing fast, but Fiverr freelancers adapt even faster. Well, people adapt to everything. So we've got AI applications, AI artists, AI models, AI music videos, fact-checking, AI content editing, and those are all the ways in which you can get money on the website. And best of all, this is new, okay? And because this is new, it isn't competitive yet, okay? So the sooner you start with this, if you have passion for it, of course, if you want to generate AI art, if you like that, well, the sooner you start, well, the better your gig is going to be, okay? So let's just check this. You can see here, AI services. You have like 3 categories. You have AI artists, you have other services, and you have AI applications. Now, if you go to AI artists, you can actually see that there's 15,000 of these services available, all right? So that's not a lot. Because let's say you just type in Illustrator, okay? So you want something done in Adobe Illustrator, for example. You will see that it has 150,000 services available, okay? So that's a lot of services. That means for the Illustrator, it gets competitive as hell. But if you go back, AI artists, 15,000. Now, honestly, guys, this means that you can get on the train really fast, okay? You can learn this skill and you can make a gig. So that's why Fiverr did it. They made a separate section so other people cannot gain unfair advantage over some other gigs which are already established, you know? Because let's face it, if you use AI, you're going to work faster, you're going to work better, your work is going to be like so much good looking, and that's an unfair advantage, right? But you still need the skill of the prompt. So let's take a look at these AI services. So first of all, AI artists. Now, we have some subcategories. We have mid-journey artists, we have DALL-E artists, and Stable Diffusion. Now, all of these are doing the same thing. They just give you the AI art based on the text that you provide. My favorite one is Mid-Journey. Okay, so Mid-Journey is a really good one, and you can just search for it on Google. It is over at midjourney.com, and when you come over to their website, you have this button here. So join the beta. When you click on it, you will be invited to Midjourney Discord server. Okay, so you just have to accept the invite. You will go there, and what I really like about Midjourney is that you can watch what other people are doing in real time. You know, let me show you. You can see this, and you can see that people are generating some crazy art in this, and the fact that it looks so good, I mean, it's crazy. All of this has been generated by an AI. But of course, if you want to get this good, you're gonna have to learn the skill. You can learn from other people, or you can use a trick that I have found online from another YouTube video. But first of all, what do you gotta do if you want to create something like this? Well, there's newbies here, so you can just go to newbies, just like myself. I'm a newbie. So now you just have to go to this command and you have to type in imagine. Okay, so when you type imagine, well, I forgot the slash, so imagine, and then you just have to put the prompt in there. And whatever you put, it is going to give you the result, okay? The more detailed you are, the better the picture is going to be. Well, you're going to get what you asked for, okay? The more questions you ask, the more you feed it, the better the result will be. Now, you can take an example from this. For example, look at this prompt. Realistic Russian soldier with camo pattern uniform with blue and yellow only colors, long beard, real look. So that's the prompt. And you can see how this picture is looking like. I don't know why, but this looks cool because it's a Russian soldier with Ukraine colors. Well, looks like peace to me. But nevertheless, let's go back to the topic. I have found one video on YouTube, and what the guy did is that he fed ChatGPT the info. So he basically taught ChatGPT how Midjourney works. Now that's really, really impressive, right? So ChatGPT went to school on which this guy is having, and then ChatGPT learned how Midjourney works, and then you use ChatGPT in order to write you these prompts, all right? So let me just tell you. You go to ChatGPT, and then in a new chat, if you just go and you type in write to Midjourney prompts for classic car images. Let's just go with some classic cars. For example, we just want to make some classic car images, and if I just hit enter, well, ChatGPT isn't going to be too much helpful because it doesn't know what Midjourney is. Or maybe he doesn't want to know. Maybe he sees Midjourney as his competitor. Who knows? So this is what we get from ChatGPT. So just take a look at this. Imagine you're behind the wheel of this classic car. Where do you see yourself driving, and what kind of adventure do you envision? So this is not Midjourney prompt as we were able to witness before, right? This is just some text. So this is what you can do. You can just give this formula, this Midjourney formula, to ChatGPT. So you can just do it like this. Let's just copy the whole text and then just paste it in there. And this is how we teach ChatGPT. In this case, we're like professors or something. And it's fun. We're actually just training AI. And of course, right away, he learned it, okay? So you can see that now he just makes an example of it. So he's just writing me my classic car image with the formula that I have given it. And when it's done with this, you just copy and paste. So let's actually take this. Let's go to Midjourney, and there's a hassle here, so we're just gonna have to be careful. I'm just going to paste that, and I'm just going to delete these parentheses because I don't think we need those. So now I'm just going to hit enter, and this is the result. You can see the picture is crazy good picture, and it's made only with text prompt. So that's how cool it is. You just have to practice it. I have found this guy on YouTube, by the way, and he just plays with this. So I just wanted to show you his prompt. Just take a look at this prompt. Okay, so it's a crazy long prompt, but this allows him to make pictures like this, for example. And it's really crazy. These results are I don't know. That's why Fiverr did it, and that's why this is so fun. And that's why you can hop on the wagon while it is still early. Now, if you get on early, you're going to get more customers. You're going to better your gig. So that's with the Midjourney. Now you've got DALL-E as well. DALL-E is, of course, OpenAI software, so you can just go to Product, DALL-E 2, and this is the same way. You just generate the text prompt, and it'll give you the pictures. So, for example, I don't know, you can see these foxes, whatever. It will basically just give you the picture, just like the other one, based on your text prompt. You can click on Surprise Me, click on the Generate, and it's going to give you the result. Basically, it's the same as Midjourney. Now, this Stable Diffusion works the same way. I don't need to explain this one. But then we have AI applications. So because, let me just check this. So AI applications, this is some for more knowledgeable people about AI and programming and coding as well, because you can make chatbots for someone, or you can just make, I don't know, some machine learning system. You can actually train the AI the real way. So this is for you guys who just like programming. I don't know a lot about this. I'm more into art, but this is also one way of doing it, and it can be really good, because just like you can see here, 3.5 thousand services available. So that's low amount considering what Fiverr is and what it has. Now, there are some other services like AI models, AI music videos. I don't know about music videos. It has too low number of services available. So that maybe means that people don't ask for it that much. But I don't know, maybe it can be a thing in the future as well. So if you like music, if you want to learn how to make music with an AI tools, well, that's certainly an option as well. Then there are some easy jobs like fact checking. So you can of course use ChatGPT to just check the facts of a certain document or something like that. But my favorite one is the artist, and it's the most beginner friendly. You can just make it. These prompts are not so hard to learn. They are hard to master, but you can just start with it and see where it will get you. For example, on Midjourney artists, you can create certain gigs based on what other people are doing. So in the end, you can, for example, make some custom art for people. So let's say people want to make, I don't know, maybe some gifts for their family members with some personal message, with some personal picture or something like that, or a wedding gift. And then they will just feed you the information, and then you will take that information and you will feed the ChatGPT and Midjourney the information, and you're going to get money for that. So it's a pretty fun way to do it. And you can see these pictures are like really crazy. They just look so good. But of course, Fiverr is not the only place where you can do this. You have Upwork, you have People Per Hour. So my advice is to diversify yourself. Go to as many of these freelancing websites as you possibly can, because you're going to get more exposure, okay? You're going to get more clients, more people to see you, and that's always good. Or sometimes, later down the road, you can go to Etsy, and you can see art and collectibles, and you can just make AI art to sell on Etsy. That's one way of doing that as well. So guys, the opportunities are endless, You just have to choose one. You have to learn the skill, and then you can sell it online. A lot of people are looking for this, and it's going to be the next thing, really. AI is the future, but still, it can't go without humans. It needs prompts, and prompts can be a skill. Go do some research, Go watch these videos. Go play with Midjourney. It's free, so you can learn a lot. Go and do it, and I'll catch you.